Okay, so today is not a happy day for me and a whole lot of people in this car because the person we love so much is leaving. He has to go back to work. At the end of the day, he has to work for the family and put things in order. So I just want to say to Mr. Maphosa, my husband, safe journey. Be good, and know your good as always. We miss you. Thank you so much for the time we shared together. Thank you for making me happy, for making the kids happy. You now have this crazy relationship. I feel jealous. I felt jealous because the kids were all over you, but we really enjoyed you being in our home, which is our home. I don't have much to say because I'm a bit emotional, although I'm trying to be strong not to cry because I know I'm going to see you soon. So, thank you. I love you.
Bye, Dad. We miss you so much. I miss you. Dad, I hope you travel safe and you get home safe. You had a great time with you. You're a great dad, and we're gonna miss you when you're away. And hopefully you come back soon, so you can tell us more about America and stuff. And
it's been such a pleasure having you around, Uncle Tinashe. To me, you are like a father, a brother, and an uncle, all wrapped up in one. Thank you so much for your presence. It really meant a lot to us, and thank you so much for being a nice person, for being someone very approachable. And I would like to say we're going to miss you, and I know Marvacha Kutungamira Ipakufamba from Chaita will always be our favorite uncle, especially on my side. You'll always be my favorite uncle, and I love you so much.
Thank
you.
I'm gonna miss you.
It's always emotional to apart. One thing that I guarantee and promise is I'm gonna be back. And this time we're gonna be a big family because I think the kids are coming also. And I'm looking forward to come back. And it's such a wonderful family because I wanna let you know my love. I love you so much. I'll see you soon. Let me go to my kid.
I'm driving to the airport. The police is stopping us. Oh, he said, bus. Police!